So here we are live, everybody. Hi to all who are watching, and it's lovely to see you all. With me is my amazing colleague Neelam Sharma,
Hi
and
everyone. So here, yes, Ash, we are live today, and this is for the first time we are
yes,
doing a live session, and I'm very excited
yes.
about it. So Ash,
So
let's
am
talk
I.
about
So am I.
uh, yes. So about weekend wisdom mocktail, which is our regular feature on Unicorn Insight. So it's a platform where we discuss about various things. It ranges from
Yeah.
spirituality to it ranges from our day-to-day stress topics, how we can overcome day-to-day stress, and many other things. And it is a
Yes.
session where we take suggestions from our viewers and on the topic that we should be taking up. And today I have a very special topic to talk to, and this is a teaser, so we would like our
Yes. It's a
viewers.
teaser.
So yes, so it's a teaser, so we would like to ask our viewers if they would like to add more questions around it. But it's a very important topic, and we
It
all should
is.
be part of it. Yes. So Ash. In our day-to-day life, especially in professional life, we come across
Yeah.
many people who are very intimidating, and maybe because of
Yeah.
their position, maybe because of their personality, we are not able to express our thoughts clearly in front of them, and this leads to a lot of trouble in our professional life. And with due course of time, it actually comes into our personality, and our
Yeah.
personal life also get impacted through because of it. So Ash, this is the topic of this weekend wisdom mocktail, and you need to give us a solution about it.
Sure, sure. So first and foremost, thank you, Neelam, for bringing this topic up, and it's so much necessary in today's world because being in this field of coaching, I meet clients day in day out who talk about how difficult it is for them to face their superiors. um, we already have one comment from Namrata who's watching us and she said that we both are looking awesome. So thank you, Namrata, for being
Wow,
there.
great! Thank you,
And
Namrata.
Namrata and Namrata is such a strong pillar of support for all of us. I know that, and
Yes.
she's always encouraging. So thank you, Namrata, for that. And continuing with what Neelam you spoke, um, most of the times there are problems between people at workplace. A lot of times because we are not able to express ourselves openly, and a lot of times we are told to be politically correct. I remember when I began my career about 12 13 years ago, the only thing which was on my mind was I have to always be politically correct, which is now being a coach, being in the field of psychology, being in the field of coaching and wellness and energy. I know it is what we exactly call as people pleasing. You are so wanting to be liked by everyone that you forget what you truly are, and that is exactly the problem with a lot of us. And like, if you are watching this, any one of you, and you feel that yes, I have a lot of difficulty in talking, making a difficult talk with my boss, with my direct superior, or someone who is in senior position, and sometimes even someone who is in junior position, it doesn't it applies to, I think, each and every one of us who have not been able to express themselves openly. For example, if there is a certain issue, it happens at work, and you want to discuss it with your boss, but you will always dilute it, which means you will make it more in the manner he or she wants to hear rather than being open about it. And I think that is one of the major reasons why there are so many issues right now in the corporate world, because people are not used to have honest communications. And I would extend this. I
True.
mean, although weekend wisdom mocktail is something which we do for our corporate clients, I would also say that even in personal relationships, these things get extended. You start applying the same things to probably your parents, your siblings, your close set of friends, because you always want to be liked. And
Yes.
most of the problems happen because we are not authentic in our communication. And the moment we start being authentic in our communication, a lot of things will automatically start changing. So, yes, there is so much to discuss about this topic, and I'm sure in this weekend mocktail, weekend wisdom mocktail section, we will have a lot to talk about it. So, thank you for suggesting this topic. And Neelam, before we go further and talk about this on weekend, um, do you want to quickly talk about how we began Weekend Wisdom Mocktail, because this is the first time we are doing it for our Facebook page.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Even I
yeah,
was coming to that for the people who have who are watching us for the first time.
right.
So, Weekend Wisdom Mocktail is an initiative by Unicorn Insight. It is a platform where we bring in different topics, and as I said earlier, it can be from spirituality to peace of mind to how to live a better life to how to live a healthier life, how to have a work-life balance. So it is a platform where we discuss all such issues that come across in our day-to-day life, and we try to get a solution. And both of us, and this is something which we, do it for our corporate clients, as you said. But it is not limited to that. Anybody can get benefited from the topic discussed over there, and it's a weekly platform. We had started it in the month of, I think, June, end of June,
Yes,
and
end of
now we
June,
have
right.
completed 4 episodes of it, and we'll be coming live to have another new episode, which is on how to tackle difficult people, difficult seniors in our workplace or in our personal life. So this is how Weekend Wisdom Mocktail has shaped up till now.
Wow. And thank you for sharing that. And even I have a lot of fun doing this particular exercise because I get so many, responses from people. People have messaged me on
Yes,
WhatsApp.
yes.
People have written to me on Facebook, and many people said that we are not on LinkedIn or we are not on YouTube. We don't watch YouTube that often. And why don't you do the same on Facebook? So I thought, why
Oh,
not
that's
let
a good
us post
idea.
on Facebook?
That's a very good idea, Ash. We should start doing it on Facebook as well.
Yes. So now we will be having this on Facebook. We will let you all know when, what time it will come up on Facebook. And we have one more viewer here. Mr. Selvaraj is dropping a line, and he's saying that, "Hi Ashwini, nice to see you live. I've heard your talks and best wishes." So thank you Selvaraj ji for your best wishes, and happy to see you live here. So all viewers who are watching us live, plus all of us who will watch us when we do the actual episode on Facebook too. We would like to tell you thank you for watching us. Thank you for your likes, your comments, and we will actually have this discussion in detail. The topic, this was just a teaser so that you all are aware of the topic: how to handle, how to tackle seniors, authority figures at workplace. And as I always say, as you know, as just as Neelam said, this can also be extended to your personal life, because a good way to communicate always is a win-win approach in the long run. Being politically correct might work for some years, but later on, once you really need to remove that mask. Don't remove your masks when you go out. The mask we are talking about is the mask of inauthenticity. The masks of inauthenticity which we wear to make everyone like us, whether at a workplace or in, we need to remove those masks. We all need to wear COVID protection masks though, so don't misunderstand and don't misinterpret that. But we
Absolutely.
but we are talking about this particular thing where we start being authentic ourselves, and we start connecting to our seniors, to our superiors, which is a win-win approach to everyone. The
Yes,
organization benefits once you and your superior have a good communication, good connection. Your communication changes and everything changes. So we will be sharing some wonderful tips in the weekly live. Whenever we come live, we will keep you all posted.
yes.
And thank you very much for watching. And we hear again from Selvarajji. And Selvarajji, we appreciate your comments in this on this video too. And I'm sure a lot of people will watch us later once we, because this will be stored on our FB page as a live. But to all of us who will watch us later, Please join us on the weekend and let us spread a lot of love and lot of joy in terms of this beautiful exercise.
Yes, absolutely, Ash. And thank you so much for providing solution to this problem and to other
My
issues as
pleasure.
well. Looking forward to speak to you on this weekend. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
looking forward to see you all amazing folks on the weekend. So let's see each other then. Till then, best wishes. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Namaste and
Yes.
best wishes.
Thank you.